Air, nature's gift. Air, mankind's connection to nature. We explore the infinite possibilities of air, refining temperature to a single degree in connecting body and mind to nature. We redefine air. Founded in 1968, Midea has now grown into a global leader in consumer appliances, HVAC systems, robotics and industrial automation systems, and smart logistics supply chain. As the world's #1 air treatment company and China's top export corporation, we have produced 38 million air conditioners and brought clean air into homes around the world. With 11 manufacturing bases in China and abroad, our air conditioner annual production capacity has reached over 67 million sets. We kept upgrading the capability by developing production lines, managing lean and automatic production with over 800 industrial robotics, and improving the quality system. From smart chips, motors, compressors, to air conditioner production, we have the integrated supply chain to stay on top of demand and ensure quality. At Midea, we invest in possibilities, from our laboratories to our experts, from new initiatives to long-term innovation. Our commitment to the future is clear. With over 1,000 R&D staff and over 300 million USD annual investments, our R&D team has created almost 6,000 patented breakthroughs in the industry. The advanced R&D institutes and design centers established in China, Japan, US, and Italy are contributed to explore more cutting-edge and intelligent air conditioners. Technology innovation creates a convenient and pleasant lifestyle. When you arrive home and switch on the Midea air conditioner, the advanced body imaging and detection system is applied to ensure your comfort based on individualized temperature settings. Meanwhile, the Angel Eye and thermal detection technology monitor your body and the room temperature in real time, making automatic adjustments for optimal comfort. Managing and improving air quality is always on our minds. Midea Air X is your microclimate manager that brings you to an oasis with comfortable temperature, suitable humidity, and fresh and clean air. The mission of exploring beyond the extreme motivates us to develop innovative air treatment solutions, providing you cool experience even in desert lands and warm feeling in Arctic conditions. We kept exploring and applying ourselves in the search of new refrigerant to protect our environment. In 2018, our eco-friendly R290 air conditioner received the world's first Blue Angel certification from the German Environment Agency. We believe that art is part of life, and aesthetics should be integrated into every single air conditioner unit. That's why we create iconic designs to stand the test of time. Now, we have forged a new era in climate control. We invite you to discover the wonders of air and enjoy relaxing moments in all seasons with us, creating great environments where life just happens. Break limits and take the challenge. We never stop progressing.